This evening, we are going to work on my wife's 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's the 3-liter ecodiesel. It has an issue with clicking noise, some hard shifts, and a service 4-wheel drive light on the dash. Did a little digging on some forums online. There's not a ton of information, but from what I can tell, it appears to be the transfer case module. So should be a pretty quick and easy fix. So this should be a quick video. Let's get into it. So the problem is on startup, you get a clicking noise, and it happens actually quite often while you're driving. If you roll the windows down and drive around, you can hear it at various points. You can definitely hear it almost the entire time when I'm backing out of the driveway. And then it occasionally shifts hard, especially into second gear, not every time. And then it feels like 4-wheel drive is engaged at some point. So sometimes, not every time, backing out of the driveway, when you turn the wheel at full lock, you'll get that kind of chirping, stuttering of the tires like you would in 4-wheel drive. So it's like 4-wheel drive is engaged. And then obviously the service 4-wheel drive message pops up on the dash. It happens at this point mostly at highway speeds, and it's not constant. It just comes up occasionally. I just took it for a 15-minute drive through town, top speed about 45, and it never came on. So it's kind of intermittent when it pops up. First thing we're going to want to do is move these seats all the way forward. The passenger side, the battery is underneath the passenger side, so we need to get that disconnected, and then the module actually sits underneath the driver's side, so both seats have to come forward and up just to get access. Now we need to access this hatch underneath the passenger seat, and that should be a 10 mil to disconnect the negative side of the battery. Now with the battery disconnected, we can head over to the driver's side. Same style hatch on this side. Alright, and then this module should be what we're after right here. From my understanding, because of where this sits, you can get water down here, especially if like a leak from your sunroof or someone spills a lot of water back here and these modules can get wet. In this case, there's no water down there, so that's not why this one failed, but I think these are known to fail sometimes, so we'll get this put back together, throw the battery back on, and take it for a test drive and make sure the problem is solved. All right. Just got back from a successful test drive. Took it out up to highway speeds. There's no more clicking. No warnings lights came up. So super easy 10-minute fix. One tool really, a 10mm wrench. Pop the clips off the old module and put this one in. The part as of this video was around $100. I'll put a link to Amazon for the part in the description down below. And if you're experiencing similar issues to this, you might want to try this before taking it to a shop, because for $100 it's going to be cheaper than your diagnostic. So I would recommend that. If you came here because you're looking for this repair and you found it helpful and you're interested in cool cars and racing, you might want to check out some of the other videos on my channel and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.